Today is kind of a big day because we finally get in the back of Vampyre. Been trying to get the locksmith here for about a week with no luck. But this morning he finally showed up. Got this thing working pretty quickly. It's still kind of hard to work, but I think the more it gets used now, the better it'll work. And we'll get some more WD-40 or PV blaster or something in there too to kind of help it out a little bit. Okay, let's unlock this thing for the first time. So this is going to be the first time I've seen in the back of this, at least from this view and not the front. First time I've seen in the back of this thing for many years. Still has the coffin, which houses the amps. And there we go. It turned a lot easier that time. I actually tested it out before I started filming, and it was kind of rough. So it already works better than it did the first time. Here we go. So it looks like we have some bad shocks. They will not stay up on their own. So that'll be another project. And also looks like another wasp nest. There's the nice little nest. And there's an old battery that we're going to trade in to use as the second battery, which ends up hooking up right over in that corner on the far side of the coffin. Got some a little bit of junk in here, some jumper cables, piece of wood. Okay, that must be what he used to prop the coffin open. Might be able to put that here for right now to prop the lid open. It may or may not work. Okay, yes, there we go. Maybe. There we go. I think that'll hold for now. It's like the material's in pretty good shape, except for just this rough area right here. I am kind of curious. We have some... I see. This material goes around this, which pretty sure is what he used to hold the coffin lid open. So we'll do some repairs on that. And you can see right there, see the back of the box. Get a good view of the coffin. Got a lot of material repairing to do over here. Looks like, I'm sure all of it's in there. He hasn't taken anything out, so I think we're good in that. Fortunately, it looks like that nest is empty. So we're going to take that out, get rid of that. I'm just checking everything out right now, since this is the first time I've been in it. Okay, so now that I've built my own anticipation up enough, let's get inside this coffin. Holy crap, wow, that lid is a lot heavier than I thought. Okay, so I actually had to set the camera up in the back in the bed, because it is going to take both hands to lift this lid open. Here we go. And there we have. Geez, that thing is heavy. It's the Phoenix Gold EQ. It is a EQ-215X. And we have two Orion Extreme XTR 200s. There, that actually props up on the foam, so that's pretty cool. Not sure if I want to leave it like that much, but for now it'll work.